All right, Ben. Well, local parents continue to press for answers after they say a former aide at the ProMedica Autism Center in Adrian, Michigan slapped their child.
And they went before the media tonight at an attorney's office in Dearborn. 13 ABC's Amy Montgomery sat down with them today, and she's live now with the story. Amy.
Diane Lee, as you can imagine, it's been an emotional roller coaster, that is, for several families who trusted the Autism Center with their children. Now, the parents that we spoke to today say their child can't tell them what happened because he's nonverbal, which makes getting to the bottom of all of this even more difficult and heart-wrenching.
Why, Alden?
It's one of many questions Megan Van Etten and her husband want answered.
Everything has been an absolute whirlwind, trying to figure out how to live in this world now.
Their 8-year-old son has autism and is nonverbal. For the last 2 years, he had been receiving therapy at the ProMedica Center for Autism at Bixby Hospital in Adrian. But all that's changed. Thursday, with their attorneys by their sides, they recounted what they say they saw on security footage.
We saw several smacks. And the initial part was my son cowering in a chair to just her hand being raised. There's no way that was the first time.
He's the perfect victim. He doesn't talk, and he doesn't express pain like we do.
ProMedica acknowledged the situation, offering an apology, saying they failed those children and their families.
Our local leaders in Adrian continue to communicate with the families involved and are actively working to identify ways we will be able to support the community going forward.
But this family says that's actually not the case. They claim ProMedica has never personally reached out to them, which only adds insult to injury.
We're very out of the loop. We feel very out of the loop. And we don't know what's going on. We don't have the answers we need.
And while investigators work through this case, these parents are searching for a new facility for Alden's therapy, worried that their trust will be broken again.
We have no way of knowing how this not only is affecting him immediately in the regression of skills that he's having now, but what this will mean moving forward that's hard.
Now, there are 4 children involved in this case, Alden included. ProMedica says 3 technicians have been fired and the center has been shut down, at least for now. There is no word on when this investigation will wrap up, and once it does, these families could pursue other legal options. Reporting live, Amy Montgomery, 13 ABC, Action News.